Hey everybody, this is by popular demand. Most of the youngsters that get these bookmarks at Esperanza Middle School where I work want to know how I make these. So this is a Takis, the most popular bookmark, and this is the part right here. So what I use is animal feed bags. These are horse feed bags, strips that I cut straight. These are what I use for my harnesses or my straps, my purses I make. So you take one, and it's 2 inches wide. You want it 2 inches wide because your packing tape that you're going to finalize and close this with is 2 inches wide. So you can be wider if you want, but a bookmark is really about 2 inches wide. So you put it over wherever part, and I like covering the flames. All right, so I put it over the flames, and you're going to cut about a ½ inch or so up. So it's going to come out looking like this. All right, so that's what you want on the sides. Now what you want is something up on top and on bottom too to hem. So right now this is dirty, and then that's what the inside looks like. So over here I cut the back. All right, so I have my hem right here. So this, if I lay it in there, is dirty right now. I'm not going to do that. You take this and you put it into the soap, all right, and wash it, and after it dries it looks like this. So it's nice and clean. Alright, so this is ready to be taped down onto that animal feed bag, the horse feed bag piece, and folded over and turned into a bookmark. So that's what I'm going to get ready to do now. So here's how I do it. This bag was full of all the other bags. In fact, there's still one, I see one cap still in there, right here. So I even collect these, and they go in there to get washed. All right, I clean them out. I either cut the bottoms off or I open them up, drain them into the trash. I don't keep the RF ones because there's no chip down there. Okay, so those get thrown away. And then they go in here to get washed. This, believe it or not, has soap in it. Okay, so it is not just sudsed up. So it gets washed in here, dipped at least twice. The big bags, I run my hands around inside the bag like it's a washing machine. Then I rinse them in fresh water over here. And I can't be up on my feet too long, but I do get around. And you see it hung up all around here. Okay. And then I come back over on this side here. And then I have it on back all the way around. And it'll finish up over here. All right, with what I have left to wash here and there. It fills up the whole thing. Now I also use these are bags from soil. That will be washed. That goes on the inside of my big purses. And these are the drink bags. These are bookmarks after they're all clean. I have that video on YouTube already. And I use these for purses and some of them for the inside of the purses. All right, so hey, and believe it or not, Arizona tea off a bottle, that will be a bookmark. All right, so let's go on and continue on the video. Before I move on, I just wanted to show you some of these on here, and also tell you that nothing here gets wasted. Because it's all clean, anything that gets cut off, like the back of the bag we get cut off, and I just use the front, all that goes into the plastic bag recycling. So I'm just going along here to show you, because one of the bags that I'm actually showing on this video is how to make the bookmark with this part right down here. After you cut it, okay, you're going to have it, you know, about, I'd say about a quarter inch to not quite a ½ inch wide outside. That's because you need a hem. I'm going to show you how to hem this, okay? So when you roll it over, okay, you're going to roll it over both sides. You're going to hold your 2 fingers in the center. Now, if you can hold these up and look at the other side to see what's good, but see, this is my mark right here. This extreme is there, and the pepper's here. All right, or the lime is there. You take a piece of tape, okay, I put it in my pinky area here, grab about an inch off and put it across. So that would be going across right in this area. All right, you lift up and you take this and move your fingers down, grab another piece and go across here. Swing it around, grab up here, pull it down, okay, and then put another piece right here. So after you're done with this, you're going to wrap the ends like a package. So your ends should be just like this. So the only sharp point is right here. You don't have other pieces coming out on the side. All right, once you're done with this, you go ahead and take packing tape, and this is exactly 2 inches wide. That's why you need 2 inches wide on your animal feed bag. I do not suggest using cardboard or other paper for the sturdiness of the bookmark. Okay, number one, cardboard will get wet. It'll get soggy. You don't want to do that. So try using a cat food bag that's plastic, or animal feed bag, a bird seed bag, something like that. Clean it, and that's what you can use inside. Now, this doesn't mean that all of them have to be 2 inches. This is about 4 inches here, but it's kind of a big bookmark. All right, kind of too big. Nice one is a 2 inch, and it's about 6 inches long or so. It's the length of the wrapper. So so that's basically how long all these. This is not fully taped in the back. You can tell by that right there. So you don't want that to happen where it peels apart. So these are all done, and then now I want to share you. And please don't comment on the mess in the kitchen if you see it. It's not that messy, but I'm going to bring you around, and all these are the other bookmarks. All right. So I mean, we're going. There's a lot of them. So if you see something you like, hey, let me know. All right, but this is not all of them. Over here, they're not finished yet. These are undone. They're just cut. The pattern's cut out. They're ready to be put on. All right, but you need Scotch tape and you need your packing tape. And that's the best way to do it. I do this to fight my depression. And I did not realize I made so many. So, hey, that's it. So that's how you make a Takis bookmark. All right, most popular bookmark in Esperanza Middle School is a Takis bookmark. And it seems like almost every youngster that wants a bookmark wants this kind of a bookmark. All right, subscribe, see a whole lot more videos. And thank you for watching, because you're helping my service dog out by doing so. Take care. Bye.